Most recently, Turkey and Syria has experienced several earthquakes and lost many lives. But how the earthquake occur and why they can be so destructive? Earthquakes are some of the most powerful and destructive natural disasters on the planet. They are caused by the movement of tectonic plates, which are huge slabs of rock that make up the Earth's crust. The Earth's crust is made up of several tectonic plates that float on the top of the layer of molten rock called as mantle. These plates are constantly moving and interacting with each other, which can cause earthquakes. A fault is a crack or break in Earth's crust where two tectonic plates meet. When these plates move against each other, they can become stuck, causing a buildup of pressure. When the pressure becomes too great, the plates suddenly shift, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves, which is what we feel as an earthquake. A seismograph is a device used to measure the strength and duration of seismic waves. Seismic waves can travel through the Earth's crust and they can be felt on the surface as shaking and vibration. In areas with loose soil and sand, the ground can become unstable during an earthquake. This is called liquefaction, and it can cause buildings and roads to sink and collapse. Turkey and Syria have been experiencing several earthquakes in recent years due to their location on a seismically active region called as Mediterranean Arc. The movement and collision of these plates can cause stress and pressure to build up in Earth's crust, which can lead to earthquakes. Additionally, the Mediterranean region is known for having numerous fault lines, which are areas where tectonic plates meet and can become stuck, causing a buildup of energy that can be released suddenly in the form of an earthquake. The recent earthquake in Turkey and Syria have been attributed to the movement of Anatolian plate, which is located between the Eurasian and Arabian plate. This plate is being squeezed and rotated by the movement of two larger plates, causing stress and pressure to build up along the numerous fault lines in the region. Both Turkey and Syria have densely populated cities, and many buildings and infrastructure are not necessarily designed to withstand earthquakes. This can lead to greater damage and loss of life during an earthquake event. It is important to note that earthquakes are natural disasters, a natural phenomenon that can occur anywhere in the world, not just in seismically active regions. However, living in these areas of high risk of earthquake means that communities must take extra precautions to prepare for impact of these events. Understanding the science behind earthquakes can help us better prepare for these natural disasters and minimize their impact on our communities. By staying informed and taking steps to prepare, we can stay safe in the face of earthquake and other natural hazards.